Today I am sharing one of my favorite healthy comfort meal, whole wheat beetroot paneer-avocado parathas. They are colorful, nourishing, high protein and perfect for balanced meal. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of whole wheat flour, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, ghee, and 1 medium beetroot puree. This gives the dough its beautiful natural color and extra softness and nutrition. Knead everything well until smooth. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for 20 minutes. While the dough rests, let's prepare the filling. In a bowl, add 1 mashed avocados, 200 gram grated paneer, half finely chopped onion, 1 cup of fresh chopped spinach, add 1 green chili minced for a gentle kick. Season with 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, fresh cilantro, 1 teaspoon of salt and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix everything well until creamy and evenly combined and coated together. This filling is rich, fresh and full of healthy fats and protein. Now divide the rested dough into equal bowls. Roll one bowl lightly. After rolling the dough, now place a generous amount of filling in the center. Seal the edges carefully, all the sides, and gently roll it again into a paratha shape. You can shape any like round, triangle, square, not too thin and not too thick. Now heat a pan on a medium flame. Place the paratha on the hot pan. Cook until bubble appear. Flip and brush lightly with clarified butter, ghee, and cook both sides until golden brown and crispy. Serve these vibrant parathas with Greek yogurt and your favorite dip. Healthy, colorful, and deeply satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.